Hi, I am Putti Monica from Pathanadikudru. I have recently completed my Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science Engineering from Bapatla Women's Engineering College, Bapatla. After my academics, I have joined in Qspiders to upskill myself and to get a job in IT industry. And I took a course of software testing where I gained a lot of knowledge to get the job. And manual testing was taught by Hemant sir and Puneet sir, and Selenium was taught by Nandini ma'am, and Core Java was taught by Prem sir, Pawan sir and Kaushik sir, and SQL was taught by Revan sir. And I also joined in RoboWaves to get a good hands-on experience on how manual test engineer works in IT industry. And HRs also helped me very well to get this job very quickly. Like they added to every requirement they gave, and also I get a lot of experience in Qspiders to get a job. And finally I got placed as a QA software engineer at CTEL company in Madhapur with a package of 2.1 LPA, and I am very thankful to Qspiders Punjagutta.